Welcome to Fire Engineering Training Minutes. I'm Larry McCormack. What we're going to talk about today is vertical ventilation on a peaked roof, doing a louver cut using hand tools. When we get up on the roof, one of the first things we're going to do is try to sound for our rafters. Once we find one, if the rafters are on 16 inches centers, we can use our hand tool to lay out our rafters. The typical length of an axe handle is 32 inches. What we would do now is cut down in this rafter bay, cut down in this rafter bay, make our head and our foot cut, and pop that louver open, punch the ceiling down, and we've performed a quick vertical ventilation hole. What we're going to do now is cut away, go up to the prop, and we'll perform the louvered cut using our hand tools and using our axe handle as a guide to where our rafters are. After we would decide where we're going to place the hole, one of the first things we're going to do is try to sound the roof. Where the rafters are not, there will be bounce and deflection in the roofing system. As I get closer to the rafter, there'll be a deadening and not as much bounce in the axe. And the first things I'm going to do is make sure that the rafter is there, then I'll lay the tool down and lay out my cuts, and we'll go from there. Lay the tool down. I know because the length of the axe handle is 32 inches, my next rafter is going to fall within that axe handle. I'm going to go ahead and make my head cut. I'm going to make my far cut inside of the other rafter. Make my far cut here. And then make my bottom cut. Garrett's going to go ahead and grab it. And then we're going to punch the ceiling down. Depending on the smoke condition, we may decide to make this hole bigger, and we can go down further or go across horizontally. Thanks for watching Fire Engineering Training Minutes. I'm Larry McCormack.